Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in Bournemouth on the south coast of England to check out one of the most popular seaside destinations in the UK. So come as we have a look around the whole town, go through the park, have a look at all the activities, go up and down the pier, see what's available, have a look in the arcade and check out some interesting features the beach has to offer. Come, let's go and have an explore.
Yo, it's the Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So we're just going to start the tour up here by BH2. This is like a leisure centre where there's cinemas and restaurants. This is Eden Glen car park. This is a good little secret car park if you want to come to the park and then the beach. Not a lot of people start here. And then you can walk through here to the park. So this is just the start of the town centre. It goes up there and then goes down there towards the park. You can see there's a little market on today. Lots of little shops around. You can see it enters the park straight away. And this is a very nice feature of Bournemouth, is between the town centre, which is this way, and the beach, which is this way. There's this beautiful garden. It's all lit up at the night times, and then there's a river that runs down the middle of it. There's a big bandstand we'll come to, crazy golf, loads of stuff to do. You can see the cool little stream, nice waterfall, that goes all the way up there and then goes all the way down this way through the park, and then the bandstands that you can just see in the corner. So we've got table tennis and mini golf. There's a little map, shows you where we are. Little cafe here as well, the Garden Deli. Get yourself a burger, £5. Nice. It's got the giant bandstand over there. And then a bit of crazy golf. We're just going up now to the Pavilion Theatre. Again, the gardens get even better around here. These huge big jungle plants. There you go, very nice. There's also a little terrace bar there for you. Here we go, ice cream parlour, does beers. And then there's a little bird, Avery, over here. Wow. Little quail, guys. Here he is. Golden pheasant, Senegal parrot, cockatiel. Apparently they all like to be friends. You can check out the big wheel. This is probably the only weird bit about Bournemouth, is the fact that you literally walk under the road, which is like the main road in, to get between the park and the pier and the seafront. But they jazz it up a little bit with a bit of painting on the pillars. That's not bad, is it? Right, let's check out the big wheel, then the pier. Decent sized big wheel here in Bournemouth. Nice on the seafront. This is quite a famous little bar as well, just here on the seafront in Bournemouth. This is Hot Rocks. So I'm 36 and I've been coming here since I was a toddler, and I've spent many times here. There's also, I think they've actually ruined it now, but this little thing on the side, this little wave, there used to be a surfboard on here and you could stand on the surfboard, have a photo under it, but I think it's been health and safetied, and now there's just two holes where the surfboard was. But that used to be pretty cool, but still nice place to get yourself a drink. And then just down here you've got the aquarium, just opposite the pier. That's a good day out, especially if you get caught in the rain. Go check out the fish. Right, let's go have a look inside the pier. So we'll go on a grabber, see what we can win. Oh, maybe next time. A little loud in the arcade. Here's the beach though. Amazing beach here in Bournemouth. One of its very best features. Sand is tremendous, really fine, really soft, hardly any rocks. Shame the sun's just trying to creep through. Be nice if it pops out shortly. Let's go head down the pier. Just check out the other side first. You see, that's the end of the zip line, which goes to the end of the pier. You come down this way. And of course you've got Harry Ramsden's there. I think that's the largest Harry Ramsden's in the country. Do correct me if that's not quite right. Here's a bit of history about the pier. 1847, the jetty. Some old pictures. I think these are, what are they called, swimming pods or capsules or whatever they were called, where the ladies would get in the one side, get changed and then get in the water. keep their modesty. So at the end here used to be a theatre. I've watched a few shows there as a kid, but I don't think it is a theatre now anymore. Let's go see what it is. The RockReef Indoor Activity Attraction. There you go, so it's like rock dog, indoor rock climbing, pier cave, vertical slides. So here we go at the end of the pier now. We've got a few little things to go on. So you've got a Helter Skelter. This is a little spiral staircase where you go up to the zip line. Hooker duck. We've also got a restaurant here and bar. Get yourself some food. Oh, a bit windy this side. Famous Harry Ramsden's. I've never seen these before. Electric beach barbecues. So you just tap it on, cook your food.
Oh wow, when did you go there?
How strange. How cool though. Do not use disposable barbecues here, they will damage the top. Cool, never seen that before. Stand here cooking your food. Having a look over the beach. As you can see here, the sand on Bournemouth Beach is so fine. It's like being in a desert, very golden, even on a slightly grey day today. Seagulls everywhere though, as usual. So that concludes my tour of Bournemouth here on the south coast in England. Do come and check it out. It's really worth your time. It's a great spot to have a holiday or even just a quick weekend trip away. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.
Take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.